Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we're going to walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Pipeliner CRM Actions automation for workflow apps. Once you're in your account, head over to App Marketplace, click on it, search for your app, and click on Install. Right here, click on Allow and Install. Once your app has successfully been installed, you're going to refresh your tab and click on the custom page. Then the interface of the app is going to pop up where you have access to your documentation. Under the tutorials, you're going to have access to the SmartQ video that is going to serve as a guideline on how to get the necessary credentials to set up the app. We equally have the setup that shows the status of the app. Yeah, we noticed that our app haven't yet been connected, but no worries, we're going to walk you through on how to connect and set up the app. First thing, you're going to head over to your app online. Once you're here, click on the menu icon, click on Administration, click on Obtain a Key. You're going to click on Create New, and this will pop up. You're simply going to enter your application name, click on Create, and you're going to click on the application you just created, click on Show API Access, and there we go. Our API credentials have been created. So we're going to copy your username, click on the copy icon, head over to your account, click on Start Setup. You're going to paste your username, head over back to your account online, copy your password, go back to your account. You're going to paste your password, head over back to your account online, copy your service URL, go back to your account, and paste your service URL. Once you're done, click on Complete Setup. There we go. Our app has successfully been created. The app has been successfully connected. We equally have the support center. At the Level Support Center, you can create a ticket for our support team, or you can book a call with our support team. We have the changelog. Here, you're going to see the necessary notifications concerning the new updates and the changes of this app. In order for you to receive these notifications, you're simply going to toggle on the notification button, enter your email, and click on subscribe. And that's it. I hope this tutorial helped you get everything set up. If you need any help, our support team is here for you 24/7. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.